This is a piece also from the 13th century in Paris, and it comes out of the university context. So in the University of Paris, there were quite a few scholars and theologians who needed manuscripts. So there was a big production of illuminated manuscripts at the time. This is a commentary on the Psalms. So there was the book of the Psalms from the Bible, and then you had scholars who were thinking about it and writing their own theories. And so this is Petrus Lombardus's commentaries on the Psalms. So what you see here is an interesting progression in page layout. You have the central psalm text in the center, and you have this beautiful initial B, and in the round part of the initial you have King David, who was thought of as the author of the Psalms. And then around the edges you have the scholarly commentary on that. You also have here in the margins some marks of corrections and commentaries on the edges. And then we have, actually, curiously, this particular book traveled later in the Middle Ages to Spain, and the Spanish user had added these golden borders around the edges. So they felt that this big white open margins, they needed to be filled somehow, so they added in these nice gold margins, even with a fun little dragon.